everyone, if the USB port on your Windows 11 PC isn't working, I'm going to show you multiple ways to fix this issue. So the first thing you want to do is physically inspect the port, check it for any dust and debris, and gently clean it with a toothpick or use compressed air. Also inspect it for any damage, check if there are any loose pins. If there are, you will need to have it professionally repaired. If the port looks to be okay, move on to the next step. For the next step, unplug your PC, then shut it down. If possible, remove your laptop's battery as well. Then press and hold down the power button for at least 30 seconds to discharge any residual power. Then turn your PC back on, plug it in, and try using the USB port again. If that still doesn't work, move on to the next step. For the next step, we're going to disable USB selective suspend. To do that, first press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Then, in this bar here, enter the following on the screen. Then, hit enter. Here, select Change Plan Settings. Then, select Change Advanced Power Settings. Then, expand this USB settings. Then, expand USB Selective Suspend Settings. And change Enabled to Disabled for the two options. Then, hit Apply, then OK. Note that this is usually enabled to help preserve your PC's battery. Note that if you disable it, your battery might drain faster, but it should fix the issue. However, if that doesn't work, move on to the next step. For the next step, press Windows plus X on your keyboard, then select Device Manager. In Device Manager, select this last option, expand this, then right-click on the last option, USB Root Hub, USB 3.0, and select Properties. Here, head over to Power Management and untick this box. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, then click OK. Then, right-click on this and select Update Driver. Then, select Search automatically for drivers. And if it shows you that the best driver for your device has been installed already, restart your PC and try using the USB port again. If it doesn't work still, right-click on each of these and select Uninstall Device. Do this for the other options here. Then restart your PC to automatically reinstall all these devices. If that still doesn't work, move on to the next step. Next, we're going to check the PC for any new updates. In the search bar, enter Settings. Then open it up, head down to Windows Updates, and check to see if there are any new updates. If there are, install them because these might include fixes for the USB issue. If your PC doesn't have any updates or updating the PC doesn't fix the issue, once again, press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. And here scroll down to Universal Serial Bus Controllers, expand this section, and right-click on USB Root Hub. If you have more than one of these showing here, you need to do the following for each of them. Right-click and select Properties, then head over to Driver, and make sure the device is enabled. As you can see, mine is enabled and the option to disable it has been grayed out, but yours may not be like this, so make sure it's enabled. And once you enable it, click on OK, and do it for any other root hub devices you may have here. And that's all for today's video. I hope it helped you fix your issue. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.